आई थिंक इनका जो टैगलाइन है विमेन ऑफ वर्थ, जब आप विमेन ऑफ वर्थ कहलाते हो, आई थिंक एवरी फर्स्टली वुमेन इज़ ऑफ वर्थ, क्योंकि हर औरत कुछ ना कुछ काम करती है अपनी ज़िंदगी में दैट इज़ वर्थ वाइल टू समबडी इन देयर लाइफ, चाहे वो काम की तरफ हो या पर्सनल लाइफ की तरफ हो या खुद की तरफ हो. सो आई एम genuinely very happy to be here, very grateful to Outlook for recognizing me, और I'll hopefully try and be worthful or worth it all the
Alia,
time.
congratulations for the award and thank you so much for giving us a kick start of Gully Boy. So what was the response that you got? मतलब अभी ऐसा होता है कि लोग आपसे डरते बोलते भाई तो
ऐसे हाँ लोग बोलते हैं मुझे आके देख रहे कि तुम में इतना गुस्सा है, तुम हमें पटक के मार सकती हो, ये चेहरे से दिखता नहीं है. So I'm like, yeah, that's nice. People can get a little scared of me, but actually मैं जिंदगी में ऐसा कभी कुछ करूँगी नहीं.
Okay, Alia, हमें ये भी सुनने मिला है कि you become a producer, you are planning to produce films. So what's about that?
Well, yeah, I have opened my company, and hopefully with that company, I shall produce films, content. Yeah. Well, honestly, I'm somebody who wants to be. I love being an actor and I love acting, but in life, मैं और भी कुछ करना चाहती हूँ. तो मैं प्रोड्यूसिंग करना चाहती हूँ, डायरेक्टिंग कभी नहीं करूँगी. आई वांट वर्क फॉर सोशल कॉजेज, जैसे मेरा कोएग्जिस्ट कैंपेन है. सो देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स दैट आई कैन डू विद माय लाइफ. इट्स जस्ट द बिगिनिंग.
एंड ब्रह्मास्त्र के लिए कितनी एक्साइटेड है, एंड कुंभ में हमने देखा
Logo is fantastic.
थैंक यू.
कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस?
Oh, it was unbelievable. इतना beautiful, इतना pure, spiritual, emotional. एकदम it was just a fantastic experience to see हमारा लोगो आसमान में. लोग कहते कि आसमान को छू लो, हमने एक्चुअली छू लिया अपने लोगों से. होपफुली इवेंचुअली जब फिल्म आएगी आपको सबको पसंद आएगी. सो डेफिनेटली एक्साइटमेंट बहुत शुरू हो गई है, और ऑलरेडी कल कलंक का जर्नी शुरू हो रहा है. सो देयर टू मच दिस वीक फॉर इन स्टोर फॉर एवरीबडी. तो आगे आगे देखो होता है क्या.
Alia, you always voice yourself. मतलब आप कभी डरे नहीं है कुछ भी बोलने से?
नहीं मैं डरती हूँ.
अरे ओके,
मैं बहुत डरती हूँ.
अच्छा, अगर डरती है तो यही एक रीजन है कि हाल ही में मतलब कंगना ने कहा था कि देयर आर actors who fear voicing their political opinion. She named you also. So what's your opinion on that?
Listen, I definitely don't have that ability to speak as candidly as Kangana does, and I really respect her for that. And maybe in a way she's right that sometimes we do hold back, क्योंकि हम नहीं चाहते कि, or maybe that you feel like क्यों खामखा बोलना. My dad always says कि there are already so many opinions in the world can do with one less opinion. So I have an opinion, but I'll keep it to myself. But kudos to her because she genuinely speaks really well.
Dan, thank you.
Thank you.
के बारे में जानना चाहेंगे?
Beautiful attire. हाँ, ब्यूटीफुल है, और मैं ब्यूटीफुल बनने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ
Okay, always.
अवार्ड रिसीव करते समय.
थैंक
you.
रिसेंटली अभी थोड़ी देर पहले करण जी ने भी एक ट्वीट किया ग्लिम्स का कलंक के ऊपर. तो कितना प्राउड फील करते बीइंग अ पार्ट ऑफ अ कलंक?
It's such a
Oh, it's an unbelievable journey. हाँ, ensemble है, जैसे कि आपने कहा, it's an honor to be a part of such a cast. और इस फिल्म के जो निर्देशक है मेरे बहुत ही करीब दोस्त है अभिषेक वर्मन, और उन्होंने बहुत ही ज़्यादा हार्ड वर्क किया है इस फिल्म में. हम सब ने किया है, एंड ऑनेस्टली it's just the beginning. Like I want you all to wait for tomorrow. बहुत कुछ होने वाला है over the next few days. There will not be one dull moment now until Kalank releases.
Dan, thank you. Alia, come.
Yes.
जी, आई थिंक जैसे कि मैंने कहा, एवरी वुमन हैज सम वर्थ इन समबडीज लाइफ. खुद की लाइफ में, किसी और की लाइफ में. आई टेंड टू लुक एट एनी वन फॉर इंस्पिरेशन. मैं आप में इंस्पिरेशन ढूंढ सकती हूँ, आपका शर्ट बहुत अच्छा है. मैं अपनी मम्मी में इंस्पिरेशन ढूंढ सकती हूँ, मैं इनमें इंस्पिरेशन ढूंढ सकती हूँ. उनका लिपस्टिक कितना सुंदर है और वो इतना अच्छा स्माइल कर रही है. इफ़ यू वॉन्ट, इंस्पिरेशन इज ऑल अराउंड you. Hopefully the goal and the journey should be that every girl should want to inspire herself every day, क्योंकि खुद से इंस्पायर होना और खुद से कम्पीट करना सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट होता है.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
it couldn't have been more beautiful without you.
You're just saying that because I'm here.
No, I'm not saying it for the heck of it, and I can probably get like a 500 testimonials here. What do you guys think?
Obviously, they won't say no. No, but thank you. Thank you for having me here. Thank you for this award. And thank you to everybody. You all are all like so bright and chirpy and energetic. And it's really important that I see energy right now because I'm very, very tired. So it's always lovely to see warm, beautiful, happy faces at the end of a long day.
And for your information, we've been here since 4:45
PM.
Yes.
I've been up since 5 AM. So, I'm about like 10 hours ahead of you. But still, thank you.
Sure. So yeah. Well, I was just thinking about all the roles that you have played. And you have played such nuanced characters. Now tell us, what is the kind of preparation that goes into doing these roles really? And how do you select these roles?
I select my roles literally how somebody wakes up in the morning and selects what they want to eat. You know, you're on a holiday and you have to go out and you have to pick a restaurant. What do? You go with your gut. Literally your gut. Because your gut wants some food. But it's just an instinctive feeling that comes from within. And you say, okay, no, I want to eat Indian, or I want to eat Chinese, or I want to eat Thai. Because that's what's coming from within. When you read scripts and you hear narrations and you hear stories, it can take 3 seconds for you to know, okay, this is what I want to do. I know it sounds really easy, but it's literally that easy. You have to listen to your gut, and it could be at that point that I may be wanting something, but something may come my way. Like I may want to do a comedy, but a drama may come my way, and it suddenly seems like, oh, I want to do a drama. So I go ahead and do it. There's no clinical thought process to it. It's as simple as choosing, your food or a good pair of socks.
And the preparation?
Preparation. I prefer to go with the instinct of my director, because I feel like every director will be different. So every director's process will be different. So hence my process will be different in every film. If I have a fixed process, then somehow or someday I will be the same or the same version of myself. So I keep saying that I'm moody, floaty, fire, desire. The reason I say I'm floaty is because I can usually float along with anyone and follow their lead. And I love doing that. Although I'm a leader, but I like following my director's lead and just discovering the character.
I mean, you've grown up in a family of actors and directors. And how has that environment really shaped you as a professional in this space?
When I was growing up, I was not really aware of this actor-director kind of vibe. In my head, I was the biggest star, even as a kid. You know, because I used to perform for my grandparents when they used to come home every Sunday. I used to perform in front of the mirror. So I was literally in my own world while growing up. I really understood this actor-director world once I started acting. So as bizarre as it may sound, my parents kept me very away from the limelight and from the entertainment part of their life. It was very functional, our relationship at home, and very family-like, and I was literally in my own world. So, but one thing for sure is that I don't know whether it's because they're actors or directors, but my parents have always brought me up in a way to have my own opinion and have a voice of my own in my own house. Never once did they bestow a certain a thought on us. For example, my father always made us work against the ordinary. So one would say that, okay, your exams are coming up, Papa, I'm going to fail. And he'd be like, what? You're going to fail? I'll give you 2 lakhs if you fail. I said, okay. He said, if you get 30%, if you get 70%, I will give you 50,000. If you get 90%, I will give you 20,000. So he was going backwards, and that just kind of took away that fear of, okay, that I have to perform. Now I will perform because I want to, not because I have to. And that's, imagine, so if that's the route that he took to bring me up, the whole journey was very odd and very beautiful.
Generally, there is this, thought that star kids have it easy. What are your thoughts around nepotism?
Well, my thoughts around nepotism it doesn't come from a very negative place, because I feel like it exists in every field, where in which if you know somebody in a certain field that you want to be a part of, you will help them. But having said that, because I'm so in love with acting and being an actor, that I would be devastated if I hadn't gotten the opportunity. So I am in no place to sit and go like, oh, you know, they don't know what they're talking about. How can you say that? Of course, it feels terrible if you feel like somebody else is getting an opportunity because of their family line. So there is no way to counter that thought. It does exist. But having said that, once you come into the foray, so to speak, the audience chooses you. So if you are working, it's not because you're just getting lucky every time. So there does go some hard work in that, quite a lot of hard work. So while keeping in mind the sentiment, it's also important not to discard a lot of hard work. But yeah, as I said, there's no negative thoughts. It's just like, I can't wake up and say sorry that I've been born into this family, but I can definitely say that I will work as hard as possible to prove that I deserve to be here.
Sure. Finally, you get to work with your dad in Sadak too. How excited are you about that?
I'm petrified. I'm petrified to work with my father, because, you know, he keeps looking at me and saying, Alia, there's a wall. There's a wall in front of you. I can't get through to you. And that could be possibly true, because I'm a little guarded, and like, he's my father and he kind of knows how I feel, but I don't really want to let my guard down so easily. So he believes that once he starts directing me, the wall's going to drop, which is true. So I'm scared to break that wall, because it'll be quite a revelation for me and for our relationship as father-daughter.
You're a wonderful, versatile actress, but that apart, you're also a fabulous singer. First of all, where did that come from? Did you go through
From the bathroom. It's true. I started singing in the bathroom. I continued singing in the bathroom. And then I reached formally.
You didn't learn formally?
Not at all. I never learned. In the school, we used to do on all as kids. But professional training I've never taken. Yeah, so it's come from the bathroom.
Just a couple of lines.
Which song? The river really does it.
Just one last question by a person.
Ask is, as we all know, you have immense talent, and I just wanted to know, in any industry, is only the core talent and core skills are enough to break through, or you need to have the selling skills and the entrepreneurial skills as well?
Well, I wouldn't use, I don't know about the word selling skills, but
Yes.
Well, I always believe in this, that you, whatever it is, whether it is visibility, respect, appreciation, recognition, whatever it is, you should not demand it, you should command it. And the only way you will command it is through your talent and through what you bring to the table. So I always believe less is more. Never try too hard. Do what you feel is right from the heart. Overusing the head, it never translates as true. And always, you can always see through it. So I prefer to be more heart than head.
Thank you so much.
Evening. Thank you for being such a sport.
Thank you so
Really
much.
appreciate it.
Thank you for the award and thank you everyone.
Apart from reaching great heights. We do hope that as you become an even bigger celebrity, keep it fervor. Just keep it lively, just as you have done today and forever.